Hi everyone, very good evening. My name is Ankit Sharma. So I created a project which is built on Django and the Angular. Django is basically the framework of Python, and the Angular is the framework of JavaScript, right? So I also leveraged GenAI in my project, and basically the project name is the Quirky Cocoon. It's a learning management system. I created a management system for the students as well as for the admin also, right? So basically the basic concept behind to creating this project is to just bridging the gap between the education, our education system, and to get into corporate world, right? So it's a platform where a student can engage to the mentors, right, to the instructors, and get the required skill, which is uses using in the corporate or the industry, right? So it's just bridge the gap between the education system and the corporate, right? So we created a platform, right? So this platform is look like I'm showing you the uh, it's landing page, right? This is the basically the landing page of our website, right? So this is the Quirky Cocoon students admin, and the already have an account. So this is the landing page, right? So we also provided hero section here, and something about our basically the our school, we can say, or we can say institute, or we can say coaching, right? So there's the footer section, right? And apart from this, so we try to access first the student section, right? So like, let's suppose we are new user on this website, and we want to get into the student section, right? So we just click on this student section, and just we can see a form which is open in front of us, right? So now we have to enter our details here. Let's say our name is Ace, right? And the gender is female, and the date of birth is like maybe something, uh, let's say 2010, right? August, 5th of August, right? Uh, in the major course we want to pursue here is biotech, right? So the email ID is like n at the rate Gmail. We are just checking the other demo version of this, right? And the number is this. So I just, if I register, then a pop-up will come and says student registered successfully, right? If I press enter, okay, so it is moved to the student verification. So if we try to put some other ID, so it won't accept. Like if I press yes, verify one, so it won't go. Like okay, right. So if I press any number, like let's check the verify 23, it is also not coming. Now we want to press our own ID, right? So it is 22. So we are now moving to the this page. This is the basically landing page for the student, only for the student, right? So we are just remember that the ID is 22, right? You can see in the later section that we are when we enrolling, the ID is coming to the form, right? So this is the home section. Basically, we also giving the home button here. That is not required, but still we are just making more aesthetic this website. Now move to the assignment section. So we can see that assignment is already created here by the admin, right? And this is the announcement section, right? This is the announcement, we can say, or we can say notice, or we can say notification, right? Kind of thing which is given by the institute, right? So this is the assignment ID, this is the assignment ID, and this is the course ID, right? And the title of whatever the title is running in the class, and about that, that is description. And we have to submit this assignment within, like, the due date is this. So if we want to check the complete basically the assignment, so we can just press the view, and we can see the complete description here. So I'm just giving you the demo. So it's look like this, okay? So now you want to check how many days left for, or how many time required to complete this assignment. You just press left time. You just you if you calculate like today is 5/9, right? And the date of submission is 21st. That means somewhere around 16 days is left to submit this assignment, right? So remember one thing, that this assignment ID is 8, course ID is 6, and we already registered with ID 22, right? So you can see as I press submit button, you can see the ID is retain here, and the student ID is 22. So you just have to put the submission date, your submission date basically, when you are submitting your assignment. Like let's say you are submitting on today, so just done, and your remarks somewhere around done, sir. So you can see as I submit this, pop-up will come that says assignment submission done successfully, and after a few seconds it back to the main assignment page. So for checking, you can say you can check the this page again, and you can see that done, sir, done, and this assignment, this student ID submitted the this assignment ID, right? If you want to edit something, you will just press on this button, and you can edit it for further. Okay, I can also delete from here. Like if you want to delete, just press the delete button, and your assignment is deleted from here. Right. So this is all about the assignment part, right? Now move to the courses and instructors. So what kind of courses provided by this institute or a school or our website, right? So this is the course that we are providing. So this is the course ID, course name, department, course code, course credits, and the description, right? So below this, we are providing the instructor list also, and the department list also. That is, I think, for just for general understanding, we are just providing this department list and the instructor list. So main concern here is the course. Like if you want to enroll in somewhere around machine design, right? Machine design. So just press the enroll button, and you can see the student ID is retained here, that is 22, and the course ID is 6, right? You just put the date for this enrollment, like on the which date you are just enrolling in this website, on this course, right? So you just press the date here and just enroll. As this happens, the pop-up will come, and it's okay. Now your like enrollment for this course is done, right? Now this is all about the you can say uh, um, for the student, right? Now uh, move to the uh, move to the admin part. Now I'm just by URL, I'm just mentioning back to the main page, right? So I just want to create like not create, but just give you overview of the admin part. So this is the admin page. For moving forward, we have to just put something like validate here details about. So just press Ankit, and my email ID is this much, and the 1245 is the like the contact number. Let's log in, and the successful login. Okay, now move to the this admin section. This is the basic landing page for the admin section. So this is the like Nava, and the content inside it, right? So if you want to move to the student section, just press hit enter on the students, and you can see the complete list of student is here. And your is the last one, I think, the female biotech, and something like this, right? So now move, and if you want to delete some student or want to remove some students from this batch, or like from your institute, just press hint delete, and student is deleted uh, from your list, right? From your institute, right? Now move to the announcement section. This is the announcement. Like the you can see the we are just I'm just pressing something like assignments here. You can see something Scrum link will be provided today, right? So this is the announcement is showing on the student section, right? So now if you want to create one more here, like announcement title is like BSA BSA recursion class will be happening today. Happen today. right? This is our announcement title, and the content inside it, recursion is very important to understand backtracking, right? I think spelling is wrong, right? No, this is okay. Date of announcement is like we want to we want to uh, uh, held a lecture on the 7th of right. The course ID is not, I'm not remembering the course ID, right? So for that we just move to the move to let's say the course ID is 2, right? And the course department is 2 also. If we want to save it, so an announcement registered successfully, and if you want to check here, like there is no announcement section is here, right? So that means the course IDs and the department ID is not correct here, right? So for this, we just check the courses, the what are the courses has IDs there, right? For that, we just scroll all the things that is, let's say here, the course ID is this is 3, and the department, for the department I want to see something like uh, okay, there is no such course IDs here, right? For that, let's say this is 3, right? This is 3. Let's say this is 1. It could be 1. Yes, it could be 1. Let's say, and we press 7th of this, and the DSA recursion class will be happen today, and recursion is very important to understand. Uh, okay. Yes, the idea is correct. So we are able to announce here, and we can also able to get it here, right? So you can see that USA recursion class will be happen today, and you can see the earlier announcement was getting lower, and the means getting on the bottom part, and this announcement is coming to the top part. That means it is in the reverse order, right? That means that's this perfect, right? Okay. After that, we move to the submission details. Like someone wants to means submit the assignment, so you can see the assignment section, and this person, the 7th and the 4th ID, is want to submit the details. And first check here, there is no 7th, okay, submission ID, right? So you can say this will become 4th. Okay, so the date is like today, as a like if I say false and the remarks is GD. Okay, so assignment submission done successfully, and you can check here. Just take a refresh here, and you can see the assignment is just done here. Okay, if I want to delete something, just press hit enter, and submission deleted. Right. So the same way, the assignment section is also seen here, and for the understanding of for the remembering all the IDs, just I created this part, and also the assignment list also here, right? Because we want ID here, we want assignment right, assignment title something like here. Okay, for the ID, let's say we want to like this ID. Okay, and for the assignment title, we are creating assignment for the students, right? Assignment title is like physics Doppler's Doppler's effect, right? And Doppler's, I think spelling is wrong here, right? Important concept in physics. Let's say this is our description part, right? And the due date of this assignment, let's say we want to submit by the student from to 16th of September, and just press hit enter 16. And yes, our assignment is created now, right? Our assignment is created, and let's see, we will able to see this on the screen or not. Just refresh it, and you can see the assignment is created and can be seen by the student also, right? Means this is working completely fine. Now move to the code section, and this is the random data generated. I already used math.random kind of thing in this, and the course credits on the basis of that, right? So we want to create some course like here we have one, two, three, four, five courses. So we want to add some more courses like data analyst this time, data analyst, right? And the course name is something like probability kind of thing, probability, right? And the course credit is this, and probability is important to get into data analyst career. Okay. So if I want to just press hit enter, submit, new course is successfully added. Just take a refresh, and you can see the yes, web 8598 probability data analyst, 35 probabilities to get into the data analyst career. And here you can see, just refresh it, and you can see the course is created, and you can also enroll from here, right? So means the complete website is working fine, right? Now move to the enrollment section. The so you can see earlier that somebody enrolled from here, so it can shown on this on the screen here, right? So let's say just for the let's say if a person wants to enroll in probability section, right? So just he has to mention the date when he is means enrolling in this website. So just 5 and enroll, right? Enrollment successfully, and you can see in this section means admin. The three data is earlier it was two, but now this is three. Means this is also working fine. Now move to the instructor part. So you can see we have only two instructors, right? Two instructors. So we want to one for another department, right? Another department. Let's say we want to create something like blockchain, blockchain uh, kind of department, blockchain department, right? And the email ID something like Namit @gmail dot com, right? And the contact number is 123, and the date of birth is uh, let's say let's say today, not today means this date, and the gender is male, and the name is Namit, Namit Shukla, right? So just press hit enter, instructor registered successfully, and let's refresh. I think it's not created. Maybe something wrong here, right? Let's say try for one more time. Male, date of birth, date of birth 2020 to 23. Department is blockchain. Mail ID is, let's say, N, and the contact number is something like 123. Just press enter. Okay. Now you can see the Namit Shukla is created successfully. Now check for this part. Just press hit enter, and you can see that instructor list. Yes, Namit is here with the blockchain department and the N. So overall, the website is working completely fine, but still there is section like sign up and login. It's not there because I was already facing some issues with that. So I refrained myself on to build that sign up and login part, and just to running smoothly this website, I just don't use sign up and login, but I try to validate all the data, right? And yes, this is the overall picture of my website, right? So thank you.